Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to add the Safemoon version 2 to your Trust Wallet application. So what we're simply going to do is head over to Google Chrome. Once you've opened up your Google Chrome, we'll be making use of a site known as coinmarketcap.com is what we'll be using. Upon getting there, we'll be using the search bar to search for Safemoon version 2, which is listed as 2,850 on the CoinMarketCap official listings, and it's on over 74,000 watch list. So what we're going to do is simply copy its BNB smart chain address and head over to Trust Wallet. Once at Trust Wallet, we'll be using the browser and scrolling down to the bottom where we can find PancakeSwap. Switch the network over to Smart Chain. And now once PancakeSwap opens up, we'll be simply exchanging our cake. That's this cake here, which I just selected. We'll be changing it out for the wallet address we just copied. And clicking on Safemoon. And instead of BNB, I feel like we should use the refinable token. Max. And then we'll increase our slippage tolerance to about 5.0%. Click on Enable Fine. Click on Confirm. And now we wait for the swap to become available. Click on Swap. And now the smart contract call comes in for a network fee of 0.59. And once it's done, you simply add the Safemoon to your Trust Wallet and you close. And you close PancakeSwap.finance and head over to your wallet and reload. And once you've reloaded, your Safemoon becomes available to you for usage. Alright guys, that's how you simply add the Safemoon version 2 to your Trust Wallet application. Comment down below if you have any questions about how to proceed, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.